Hey guys, today I'm doing a video on how to find the sides of a right triangle using the Pythagorean Theorem. So the Pythagorean Theorem is a relationship between the sides of a right triangle. It only works for a right triangle. And the equation for that is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Okay? Where a and b are always the lengths of the shorter sides of the triangle. Okay, the sides that are on either side of the right angle, okay? And C is always going to be the hypotenuse, okay? The hypotenuse is the longest side of the right triangle, and it's always going to be the one opposite of the right angle. So now what we do is we just plug in. So we can use whichever shorter side, it doesn't matter. A or B can be either one. I'm going to use this one here as A. So I'm going to use 6 as A. I'm going to plug in 6 squared plus 8 squared. I like to use parentheses always when I'm plugging in. And then I'm going to write x squared because in this example, x is the hypotenuse. So x is going to be c. Okay? So now, 6 squared is 36. 8 squared is 64. And that equals x squared. 36 plus 64 is 100. 100 equals x squared. Now to get rid of that x squared, what you have to do is you have to take the square root of both sides. Remember, we're trying to undo this square, so we're doing the opposite. The opposite of a square is a square root. So let's take the square root of both sides. We get 10 on the left. Okay, and then that just goes to an x. All right, so that's our answer for this one. X equals 10. So our hypotenuse of this triangle is 10. So I have another example for you that I'm going to do where we're actually not finding the hypotenuse, we're going to find one of the sides. So we're still going to use a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Okay, and our variable now is the lengths of either a or b, whichever one you choose. So I'll do this side of 12 units as a. So 12 squared. And then we're going to keep that as y squared. Okay, b is y in this example. And c, this is the hypotenuse, is 13 squared. So now we just start doing the math to find for y. So 144 plus y squared equals 169. Okay, I'm going to minus 144 from both sides. Cancels out over there. Okay, and we're left with y squared equals 25. Okay, just like last time, we have to undo this square here, so we're going to take the square root of both sides. Okay, and we're left with y equals 5. Okay, that's our answer. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something. If you need to contact me, you can contact me on my website at www.studentsuccesswithjess.com. Or you can always follow my Facebook page. It's facebook.com/studentsuccesswithjess.